Hello, everyone. This is DevByte. Right now, our UI works, but it's not structured. And messy UI leads to messy games. Let's fix that. In this video, we'll organize our UI, create a mission complete panel, and build a clean event-based system. This is where your project starts looking professional. First, inside Canvas, let's create an empty game object and rename it to gameplay UI. This will hold all gameplay related UI like score and timer. Now drag the score text and timer text inside gameplay UI. Now let's create our mission complete UI, right click and select panel, rename it to mission complete. And now from its image component, select color and make the alpha to 0. Inside this panel, we'll add 2 buttons, next and restart, and also a score text to show final score. Adjust the scale and position of button and rename this as next and also adjust its text properties. Now Control plus D to duplicate the next level button and rename this as restart. Adjust its position as well. Now create a new text mesh pro text and rename this as score text and adjust its scale and position as well. This panel will only appear when the player completes the level. Now duplicate the mission complete panel and rename this as mission failed. Now delete the next button, as we don't need this in failed scenario. Now instead of managing UI from multiple scripts, we'll create a central system for our UI as well. Create empty game object, further rename it UIHandler to better organize our hierarchy. Let's create an empty game object and rename this as game handlers and drag all handlers and managers inside this. Create script. Name this as UIHandler and attach it to our UIHandler game object. Double click to open script in VS. We'll use a singleton instance here. So any script can access UI directly without passing references everywhere. Now let's add references for score text and timer text. Now inside awake, we'll assign the instance as this game object. Now assign the references for score text and timer text. Open timer script and remove timer text from timer script and use the timer text of UIHandler. Open player movement script and remove score text from player movement script and use the score text of UIHandler. Open level handler script and cut win-lose text line text and paste it in UIHandler and use UIHandler win-lose text, instead calling it from level handler. Assign win-lose text reference, open UIHandler script, and add new game object for mission complete UI panel. Now we will add a Unity event for our mission complete event. It's a powerful concept. Instead of directly calling methods, we use events so different systems can listen and react independently. Now we want a sequence, first show win message, then show mission complete panel. Coroutine allows us to create delays, so UI doesn't change instantly. It flows naturally inside our UIHandler script. We'll add enumerator with the name of show level complete. And then we'll make this to wait for 3 seconds. And then we'll code for our sequence. Win message appear first, and after 3 seconds, we'll unactive win message and active mission complete panel. Now we'll create a new method to call our coroutine. Let's register a listener so when event is invoked, it triggers level complete method. Now inside player script, when all coins are collected, we invoke the event. This tells the system mission is complete and all listeners react automatically. Let's assign mission complete panel UI reference and test the game. Collect all coins. You see win message. Then mission complete panel appears. That is it from this video. In the next video, we'll connect buttons for next level and restart. Follow DevByte.